Hello, I'm Dr. Sanjay Panicker. I'm the founder of Amrita Homeopathy. We have two clinics, one is in Koramangala and the other one is at Marathali in Bangalore. We specialize in hair and skin problems, respiratory problems, allergies, pediatrics and infertility. I have also authored a book on pediatrics. Yesterday was the book release. This is on pediatrics drug pictures, that is, it gives an idea about how to prescribe for children, and it is an illustrated book with lot of pictures in it so that it's easy for doctors and for others also to understand how to prescribe in pediatrics. Yes, alcohol addiction can be helped and can be treated with homeopathy, but for that the patient has to be cooperative and understanding, and he must be willing to cut down his alcohol intake. In the sense, I had a patient who came to me saying that I want my husband to stop his alcohol, and the patient was not ready to visit the clinic. He was not ready to give his symptoms. He was not ready to get himself treated. In such a patient, even if you want to mix it in some food or water and give it to the patient, it might be very difficult to get a result. But for a patient who has a will, that okay, I want to do it but I'm not able to do it, at least there is a percentage of interest in him that he wants to cut down on his alcohol, then maybe the medicines can help him to reduce that craving to a great deal. But here on one side I'm giving medicines for a wound to heal and the patient keeps scratching, then the wound will not heal. So it's almost like that. So you want to reduce the craving of his alcohol, but at the same time the patient has no intention to cut down and he takes every opportunity to give every excuse to consume alcohol, then it becomes a little difficult for us to reduce that tendency. So here maybe some psychological counseling and psychological support is also needed along with the medication. Now medicines like vomica, Tobaccum, coffea and Lycopodium can help in lot of patients to reduce that craving for alcohol. So homeopathically, when you deal with it, it is important to deal with it holistically and see why he is developing this craving. So usually it is some kind of a lacunae, some kind of a diversion technique which has to be dealt with. Without dealing with that, if you just deal with a medicine to correct that particular condition, it may be a failure. So we'll have to tackle it holistically and then maybe we can reduce that craving for alcohol.